A very warm good morning, guys. Today we are going to learn about new technique in ERDAS Imagine, which is one of the software from Histograms. So today we are going to learn about one of the parameter of georeference, geospatial analysis. So we will learn today how to highlight a particular area from the satellite imagery. So first we need to load the image, whichever format is it. So in my condition it is in raster format. So let's load it. Add the image. You can see the image is loaded clearly. Now for example, I want to highlight this particular river and not the rest of the part. So as you know, DN value is the pixel value of the image. If you zoom it, each of the pixel has a particular value, which is known as DN value. DN value is basically the brightness value of the image. So to highlight this particular river, you need to first see the spectral profile of this particular map. So to see a spectral profile, you need to go to multispectral tool, and then here you can see a spectral profile. To see the spectral profile, you need to click on add and then click on here, and then again you need to go to this particular area, again click on add and choose the different layer. For example, I take this and again go to add the layer, then take some different feature, for example building feature. So you can see this spectral profile, see which band has the largest difference. So you can see band 2 has the largest difference. So we will take the DN value for the band 2. Okay, so to take a spectral profile, first you need to, mostly we are going to do breakpoint. So to break a point, your image need to be without any radiometric contrast. So we will apply no stretch. No stretch means there is no geometric correction in the image. As you can see here, there are option of different geometric correction like this equal percentage, light wrap percentage, or standard deviation stretch. This is mostly came after the geometric correction or image enhancement. So to break the point, image need to be no stretch, then go to breakpoint. Here you can see all the number of band in the given image. So we have 3 band, red, green and blue, and we have seen in a spectral profile in band 2 there is a maximum difference. So we'll take green. So to highlight that particular range, I have not shown you to take the DN value from the image. As I remember, in my case it is 32 and 142. So you need to stretch. So there is 2 ways to do that. One way is throw like this, another way throw the table. So the table one is quite easy. Let's do it first, then we will do this. So you can see here 0 indicate no image, like if you choose 0 it will not show any image, and 255 is to show the brightness value, like to show the particular highlight to that grade. So in my condition the grade is 132, which I want to highlight till 255, and 131 to 0, because that part I don't want to show in my image. Yeah, and the other part I want to show is 143, which also I want to highlight till 120, 255. and the 255 to 0, I guess it is already in zone now. So 131 to 0, 132 to 255, 3 to 0, and 142 to 0, because the rest part of image dn value I don't want to see. Okay, so as you can see, table is done. Close, apply, and you can see here the image is highlighted, the path of the river. Some dn value has correspond to this. You need to check upon your interest. So that's how you need to do breakpoint in ERDAS Imagine. How it is a part of image enhancement. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope you have liked my video, and kindly share among your friends who are working in geospatial data analysis. Thank you.